You're not poor because you don't work hard. You're poor because you were programmed to be. From the moment you were born, no one taught you how money actually works. You were told, study hard, get a job, work for 40 years. But no one told you that this system was never designed to make you rich. You wake up early, work all day, and still feel like you're going nowhere. Because the truth is, income alone will never make you wealthy. Rich people don't just work for money, they make money work for them. While you were taught to spend first, they were taught to invest first. This is why the gap keeps growing every single year. But here's the part no one tells you. You can break the program. Start small, learn how money works, invest, even if it's just a little. Because the moment you change how you think about money, everything else starts to change. You're not stuck, you're just waking up. If you want to escape this system, subscribe.